Duolingo has 500 million users and a great app store rating. It also won't teach you how to speak a language though. If you've been swiping through matching games for months with nothing to show for it in a real conversation, here are the 3 apps that actually can get you there based on your learning style. If you're thinking about learning a new language with Duolingo in the first place, I'm sure the quick lessons appeal to you. For those of you that learn better through drill type lessons or just prefer short lessons, let me tell you why Babbel is a great choice for you. Babbel lessons consist of a variety of drills like Duolingo's lessons, but what really sets Babbel's lessons apart is their lessons are not gamified like Duolingo's. The material that you cover in a Babbel lesson is much more substantial, and I find there to be more variety in their drills. You're not going to tap your way through nonsensical words and phrases either. You'll actually be learning things of use like introducing yourself, ordering food, and asking for directions, the things that you actually need to know to survive a trip. Grammar coverage with Babbel is also a standout feature because it's weaved into your lessons in a simple and direct way. The explanations are super short. You even get an example to see how the grammar rule applies to other sentences outside of the context of what you may be learning. On top of all of this, Babbel also gives you opportunities for speaking practice. In a Duolingo lesson, you're prompted to say a word or phrase aloud and given a simple pass or fail. With Babbel, you get feedback on your pronunciation and you're given much more opportunities to practice speaking thanks to their Babbel Speak feature. With Babbel Speak, you actually get to practice through mock conversations. They also have a very useful review feature to ensure that even though you've moved on from some lessons, those teachings never go out of practice. Now, cost-wise, Babbel is very affordable at just $8 a month after discounts, or $300 MSRP for their lifetime access plan. If Babbel sounds like the right fit for your learning style, be sure to check out the description below for discounts. Babbel is a terrific option for beginners looking to try out learning a new language, but what about those of you aiming to achieve full fluency? For those of you looking to reach a high level of fluency that prefer a more immersive teaching approach, Pimsleur is an excellent option for you. Pimsleur is rooted in the Pimsleur method, aiming to simulate the way you obtained your first language. And the core of their program is audio. Their audio lessons typically take about 30 minutes to complete, followed by a variety of reinforcement drills. In these lessons, you'll be walked through a conversation in your target language and be prompted to participate by responding as one of the speakers. It's great for auditory learners and those on the go. I know the lessons are lengthier than Duolingo's, so you might be a little confused right now. You'll definitely have time to complete a Pimsleur lesson every day though, thanks to the flexibility audio lessons give you. You don't need to be planted in front of a screen or tapping through drills. To complete these lessons, you just need to be able to listen. That means you can slide your phone into your pocket or set it on the counter while getting tasks completed around your home. Pimsleur also works seamlessly with CarPlay, granting you the ability to complete lessons on your daily commute. With Pimsleur, you get practice with the most valuable skills, listening and speaking. After months using Duolingo, you might build an impressive streak in the app, but if you find yourself stumbling when trying to have a conversation, what's the point of that streak? Pimsleur reduces your dependency on making mental translations by immersing you in your target language. You'll be picking things up like grammar rules intuitively and developing your ear for the language as it's naturally spoken. A subscription with Pimsleur will cost you about $20 a month after discounts, or for just $1 more, you can get access to all the languages Pimsleur has to offer at $21 a month after discounts. They also offer a free 7-day trial to see if their program works for you. To try Pimsleur out, the link to that trial is down in the description. Now, for those of you looking to build your language skills from the ground up to an intermediate or advanced level of fluency with direct grammar coverage, I recommend Rocket Languages. Like Pimsleur, the core of Rocket's program is audio. You'll complete an audio lesson every day, and for those of you that need visual aids, you do also get a transcript to follow along in the conversation. Their speaking practice is top tier thanks to the integration of Google's web speech tech into their program. Throughout your lessons, when being prompted to participate, the speech tech will grade your pronunciation and give you feedback so you can work on perfecting your accent. The speaking practice you get with Duolingo is far too simple, and with no feedback or ability to compare your speech to a native speaker, it can become difficult to even build the courage to speak your target language. Aside from all the speaking practice that you get, Rocket also has grammar and cultural lessons layered into their lessons. You get to understand grammar concepts through easily understandable instruction and cultural context for why your target language may be spoken a certain way. This type of content is priceless for those of you looking to build your language skills so you can actually connect with others, not just get by on a trip with the basics. The program is extremely comprehensive, which lands it at the top of our best list year after year. Whether you're just starting out in your language journey or already at an intermediate level of fluency, Rocket can help you achieve success in obtaining fluency in another language. Rocket's pricing is different from other programs though, because they don't offer monthly subscriptions. Instead, they offer one-time purchase lifetime access to language courses by level: beginner, intermediate, and advanced. You can purchase each level for $150 or the entire Rocket bundle for $450 MSRP. However, Rocket often offers discounts and promotions, so the cost is usually around $180 for their full program with all levels included. Check out the description for promotions on Rocket if it sounds like the best fit for you. Duolingo sounds like a nice way to learn a new language, but you really are just tapping through something that feels like a game first and a language app second. If you still prefer short drill type lessons, Babbel is the program for you. For those of you auditory learners, Pimsleur is a standout not just for its focus on audio, but because of the flexibility it allows users with busy schedules. However, Rocket has everything you could possibly need to find success in learning a new language. Great speaking practice, direct grammar coverage, and a top-notch speaking tool. Duolingo could never. For a full breakdown of all the features, pricing, and our hands-on experience with each of these apps, check out our full written reviews over on our website, guidetofluency.com. By the way, we'll be giving away a free language learning app subscription to one of our subscribers. Just check out the details down below to learn more. It's super simple to enter. Just like, comment, and subscribe. Bye for now.